silly boy.
That star.
You silly boy. Whoops.
And then we have Lennon with the green collar.
Yes, baby.
And Harrison with the red on the left.
Good boy.
Harrison is super pretty. And he's a very nice dog.
Yeah, you're a sweetheart.
They don't like their collars. They're scratching at them.
So get this thing off me.
We'll take them off as soon as we're done doing videos. Here, you want McCartney here?
Okay.
McCartney is like super friendly boy.
Yes, he is.
He's not shy. He's not timid. He's just super friendly and very loving. A little demanding.
Or does he look like a wolf?
I don't know about that.
Well, he's
A little white wolf.
a little white wolf. Yeah,
He's pretty fluffy for a wolf.
He's my little white fox.
Mm-hmm.
My snow fox. Oh, come here. Come on, you. What? You gonna want down? Huh? You want down? Come here. Where you gonna go? He says, I'm not afraid to jump. Well, come here.
He says, oh,
There he
okay.
goes again.
There he goes.
Are they all gone now?
Yeah, they're...
Come here, babies.